Hey there, welcome to this video on dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products online without ever having to handle any inventory. This is achieved by partnering with a supplier who holds the inventory and ships the products directly to your customers on your behalf. The process of dropshipping is quite simple. First, you need to find a supplier that you want to work with. There are many online marketplaces, such as AliExpress and Ogolo, where you can find a wide variety of products to sell. Once you have found a supplier, you can start building your online store and listing their products for sale. When a customer places an order on your store, you'll then place the order with your supplier, who will then ship the product directly to your customer. This process allows you to offer a wide range of products without having to invest in and manage inventory yourself. One of the biggest advantages of dropshipping is that it allows you to start an e-commerce business with a relatively low investment. With a small budget, you can launch an online store and start selling products. Another advantage is that you don't have to deal with the hassle of managing and storing inventory. This allows you to focus on growing your business and marketing your products. However, there are also some drawbacks to dropshipping. One of the biggest challenges is finding reliable and trustworthy suppliers. Make sure you do your research and work with suppliers that have a good reputation. Another challenge is that you have less control over the customer experience. You are relying on the supplier to ship the products on time and in good condition. In conclusion, dropshipping is a great business model for those who want to start an e-commerce business with a low investment. It allows you to offer a wide range of products without having to handle any inventory yourself. But it also requires a bit more research and effort to ensure you're working with a reliable supplier. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.